Hello mga ka-Jasa! Welcome to the vlog! Oh my gosh! Init kaayo! It's so warm! Hello guys! Hello mga ka-Jasa! Welcome to the vlog! Oh my gosh! Init kaayo! Good afternoon, good morning, and good evening everyone! And this day we will going to open this one. I've got the microphone since last time my friends told me that my video is not good because of the audio. So now I've got this microphone for my camera. So we will try to open now. We will unbox it. So actually, na-open na siya ng jowa ko. Because he's the one who ordered this one. So, ito yung laman. Ay! Ito yung laman. Meron siyang ganito, lalagyan. Tapos, ito yung nahulog. Ito yung instruction niya. So, yung brand niya, guys, is TAKSTAR. So, nakalagay dito yung instruction. Tapos, made in China siya. So, sana mag-work ito. And it will last longer. Okay. Balubit nga. Basta made in China. Di na lang ta mag-storya. So, na siya nga ni. Meron siyang ganito, guys. Nakakalimutan ko lagi magsalita ng Tagalog because I know not everyone can understand Bisaya. So, I'm trying to speak in Tagalog. I'm trying to speak English or Tagalog. So, and this one here. Ano na siya. Ito na yan, guys. Ito na yan. Ito na yan. Hello, mic test. Hello, mic test. Charot. So, wala na, guys. Ito, silika. So, babalik natin siya. Ilalagay natin ang camera, ang microphone sa camera. So, I have fit siya dito sa EOS 7070 na camera. So, ganito. Actually, tinuruan ako ng boyfriend ko how to put on this one here. So, this one, lalagay siya dito sa gilid. Meron siya dito. Yes. Ito na siya. Ito na siya, guys. It looks fancy. Diba? Pag may microphone, murag tinuod na vlogger. It's just like a real vlogger. Pero dili ito. Dili pa siya kabala mag-edit. Oh wow. Pero try. Try my best. I'll try my best, guys, to improve my videos and everything. No, I'm not good at it. I know. But try until I can make a good video and a nice one. I hope you enjoyed watching me, and I hope I'll enjoy using this microphone. Bye, guys. Mga ka-Jasa, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Hasta luego!